sa gitna. Nakahon na.
Oh, sige.
Hi guys! Good morning. This That's Perfume. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm on the lavender farm with my friends. Ate,
Wow.
anong pangalan mo, te?
Aji, hello.
Si Ate pala, galing ng Batangas, is touring England. Kapatid ni Cathy. Cathy naman is my best. Yan. So, we are here in lavender farm. Mag-say hi. Hello ka na naman.
Hello na ako.
Saan sa inyo, Ate?
Sa Batangas.
Ito pala taga Batangas, mga people. Ito naman si Cathy. Dito rin lang kaibigan ko to ng 33 years sa UK. Unang Pilipina na naliligo. Kaibigan ko pa rin.
Please follow her YouTube channel.
My YouTube channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. That's Perfume. Thank you so much. See you later. Ang ganda ng mga ano, oh. Naghanap ako ng bees. Ay, ayan. Ito. Hindi kayo ito nangangagat. Ayan. Ay, may snail. Okay na, Cathy.
May tao man malayo.
Ayan.
May tao malayo.
Malayo.
Dinya, dito ka. O,
Ayan, now go. Ayan, this is lavender farm. A lot of people here. It's huge 6 acres of land full with lavender. Oo. Yan o. Hello. Hello, Cathy. Hello guys, thank you for watching. God bless. Bye for now.